How to use GPT Prompt Generator on Polarlancer. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you on using our ChatGPT Prompt Generator. The Prompt Generator is a powerful tool designed to enhance your interactions with ChatGPT. By crafting tailored prompts, you can unlock enhanced responses, making your interaction more meaningful and productive. Elevate your AI-powered conversations with ease and precision. Step 1. Accessing the Prompt Generator. To access the Prompt Generator, find the link on our website's footer under ChatGPT Prompt Generator. You can access this from any page, or find the link in the video's description. You can also use a pinned post on our Facebook page. Step 2. Generating a prompt. On the Prompt Generator page, the page has left and right columns. The output prompt will be displayed on the left, while the right side is where you add inputs. Step 2. Part 1. Setting the request or question. Start by entering your request or question for ChatGPT. This is the key component as it will tell ChatGPT what you want. You can type directly in here. Or if you are not sure yet, we also have some examples here. This includes examples of requests, and also some key information that you can use to improve your statement. In this example, let's say we want to know the concept of quantum physics. You can simply click Explanation and adjust the text in the box. Once done, you can click on Examples to hide this section. Step 2. Part 2. Setting the context. Now, set the context for your prompt. This helps ChatGPT to know which data to focus on, allowing it to act as an expert in a chosen field. For our example, let's go with Technical Expert. Once selected, you'll see the text in this box. To see how the output prompt looks like, click Generate Prompt. Here you go. Act as a technical expert. Explain the concept of quantum physics. You can also create or update the prompt beyond the pre-populated list. This can be done in the input box or directly in the output prompt area. Let's change from a technical expert to a physics expert to be even more precise. Click Generate Prompt, and there's your updated prompt. Step 2. Part 3. Style and tone. Next, you can customize the style and tone to match your desired conversation style. Let's start with tone. I'll choose professional tone to match the topic. Next, the style. Let's go with narrative here. You can also choose to mimic some of famous people's tone. You have several options here, along with some information on them. For this option, I'll leave it blank for now. If you're unsure of your tone, we have a prompt here where you can paste a copy of your writing or other example that you want to write similarly. Just replace that in this bracket, copy, and paste in ChatGPT so it can help you extract the tone. Next customization is audience, where you can choose who the writing is intended for. Let's go with college professors for this example. Step 2. Part 4. Output style. Lastly, you can also choose a suitable output style for your prompt. This allows you to easily have the response from ChatGPT in a way that fits your final needs. I'll pick a blog post here. Step 3. Generating and using the prompt. Here we go. Because we have clicked Generate Prompt in Step 2, you'll see the prompt in this box automatically as you select more components. If you haven't done so or have updated any selection, simply click Generate Prompt button to see the result. Next, click Copy to Clipart to copy the prompt. Then, you can use Go to ChatGPT button to access ChatGPT. This will pop up ChatGPT in another window. Simply paste your prompt and hit Enter to enjoy the result. There you go, a blog on concept of quantum physics that is professional and suitable for college professors. Bonus, creative example. Now, let me show you another example that's more fun and can demonstrate how different and creative this advanced prompt generator can do. I'll go into Tone section. Let's go for humorous tone instead, and in the Style section, I'll choose Storytelling. Then, I'll choose Dr. Seuss in the Famous People Examples section, go for the first graders, and choose Video Script Output Style. That's it. Here's my new prompt that I can easily copy to ChatGPT. Again, simply paste your prompt and hit Enter to enjoy the result. There you go. A fun video script on quantum physics in Dr. Seuss style. It also comes with information on scene which makes it even easier to create a video out of this result. Let's try this.
Yes, kids, it's true, a wave it can be. Then a particle, you blink and you'll see. It can be here and there, all at once. Oh, the quantum world is such a dance.
And that's a new level of explaining quantum physics, benefiting from this free prompt generator tool. The last thing I want to show you, coming back to our tool, is a way to reset the inputs. Simply click this button, and all selection except for the key component will be reset. In summary, the GPT Prompt Generator empowers your AI conversations. I hope you enjoy what you have seen today. Visit our website, try it out, and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time.